Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is change of active into passive voice for declarative sentences when the tense is present perfect continuous. So our first step is to recognize the subject and object of a sentence, and then we have to swap the subject and object. The tense structure of present perfect continuous tense is we put subject plus has or have according to the subject plus been plus first form of verb plus ing, means first form of verb plus ing is also called present participle, plus object. And the passive voice tense structure of present perfect continuous tense is object. First of all we will put object mean the object of the active sentence, active voice. Object plus has or have according to the subject plus being plus being plus third form of verb. Third form of verb is also called past participle plus by plus subject of the active voice. So examples, here the active voice sentence is the team has been working on the project. So here the subject is the team, and the object is the project. So we will swap them. The project will become the subject of the passive voice and the team will become the object of the passive voice. So the passive voice of this sentence will be the project has been working will be changed into has been being worked. The project has been being worked on by the team. Next sentence, the manager has been reviewing the sales report. So its passive voice will be the sales report has been being reviewed by the managers. Next example, active voice sentence is the teacher has been explaining the concept clearly, and its passive voice will be the concept has been being explained clearly by the teachers. Here clearly, that is adverb, and we put the adverb with the verb in the passive voice form, explained clearly. Change of active into passive voice for negative sentences for the same present perfect continuous tense. So first step is swap the subject and object. The sentence structure of active voice will be subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus object, and its passive voice will be object of the active voice plus has or have plus not plus been plus being plus third form of verb plus by, and then plus subject of the active voice. So example here is active voice sentence is the team has not been working on the project. So its passive voice will be the project has not been being worked on by the team. See the next example, the manager has not been reviewing the sales report, and its passive voice will be the sales report has not been being reviewed by the manager. Next sentence, the teacher has not been explaining the concept clearly. So its passive voice is the concept has not been being explained clearly by the teachers. Change of active into passive voice for interrogative sentences. When the tense is present perfect continuous. So swap the subject and object. The sentence structure for the active voice will be has or have plus subject plus been plus first form of verb plus ing, that is called present participle, plus object, and then we put sign of interrogation at the end. Its passive voice structure will be we put has or have plus object of the active voice will become here the subject basically, plus been plus being plus third form of verb plus by plus subject of the active voice. Here it has become the object. So example is, has the team been working on the project? Its passive voice will be has the project been being worked on by the team? Has the project been being worked on by the team? The next sentence, has the manager been reviewing the sales report? So its passive voice will be has the sales report been being reviewed by the managers? And its third example is, has the teacher been explaining the concept clearly? And its passive voice will be has the concept been being explained clearly by the teachers? Activity for you students, write 5 sentences of each state, 5 declarative, 5 negative, and 5 interrogative sentences, and do write on your English notebook. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. This slide has been explained in the very first lecture, so you may read it. Why do we change active into passive voice? This slide, the basic rules for changing active into passive, you have to read them for revision. Once again, Allah Hafiz.